camera design, a boxier design, more reminiscent of the iPhone 4 series. And, oh, okay. Wow, that is, I'll tell you, the presentation's a little better than last year. At least it's not wrapped in bubble wrap. And you get straight to your phone here. The packaging actually is supposed to be super thin on this year's iPhone, about the thickness of an AirPods box. Here's this one. Oh, okay. So I like that it's boxy. Boxy feeling is pretty great. Actually very comparable to the housing swap mods that we've done here on the 11 Pro. And the lenses looking a little small compared to the real deal here. Actually considerably thinner than I thought. And this one actually has a smaller notch, maybe. It's hard to tell. So there's the gold one. Let's take a look at the green one, which according to the rumors shouldn't be happening. It should be navy blue. Okay, so, oh, yeah, midnight green. Actually very close to Apple's color. Looks good. So there's that midnight green color. As you can see, flat edges, which feel magnificent in your hand. Now these incorporate a bevel on the edge, which Apple should not have on the final product. The edges will be very reminiscent of the iPad Pro curvature, and this one is showing it more extreme. SIM card trays still in the same place on these models, and it's nowhere near as big as Apple's version will be. This is the Pro Max, actually not as wide, and the camera lens is way smaller than the final product will be. So actually comparing the sizing to the 11 Pro Max here. So yeah, they went off of this sizing, which is exactly the same. So future clones will be a little bit larger. Lens orientation. So even on the latest CAD, it's considered wrong here. This is theoretically how it should be, but these lenses are way too tiny. Still, I like that they're following the protocol, at least, of the latest leaks. So let's go ahead and turn these bad boys on, see which version of iOS 14 we're running, as they're sometimes running a futuristic build. On the inside, I have a lightning to USB-A and USB-A 5-watt adapter, which is loosely incorporated into the box, and earpods, which should not be here. Now, no Apple stickers, but we do get a SIM eject tool. Haven't seen one of those in a while. This